Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Wednesday. I have some research that could be applicable tonight, but first let's review last night. Here's the odd sheet as it looked at the close yesterday. It appears quite neutral overall, but there was a chance we could see some bearish inclinations as we approached the close. They did not play out, but as I indicated in the trading room, I would not have played the short side last night anyway, primarily thanks to the study I showed in yesterday's 2-minute overview. A quick look at ES shows us that price action showed moderately bullish odds, while both internals and seasonality had mildly bearish numbers showing. This led to both averages and weighted averages showing neutral numbers, so I was not a player last night. But let's take a look and see how action unfolded. After closing at 1449.25, futures had a quiet night. They oscillated both above and below break-even before opening up 1.25 points, so the neutral odds were followed by basically nothing action. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and I'll discuss a possibility to keep in mind for tonight. ES is off to a good start this morning, and will take a close higher of about 7 points today to finish at a new 10-day high. If it can do that, the following setup would trigger. 1. ES will have closed up exactly 3 days in a row. 2. It will close at a 10-day high. And 3. It will have closed above its 200-day moving average. Looking back to 2000, here's how that setup has performed over the years. There have been 105 instances, only 40 of which were followed by gaps up the next day, meaning 62% were followed by a gap down, and with the average gap down exceeding the average gap up, gross losses on long overnight positions would have come in at nearly double the size of gross gains. The numbers here obviously suggest a downside edge. Let's take a look at the profit curve. It's been a bit choppy at times, but the downslope has generally persisted throughout the entire 12.5-year period. This is probably worth keeping in mind if the market closes strong this afternoon.